Post Kitchen Reno Part 14, the dishwasher. My least favorite kitchen chore, unloading the dishwasher. I intentionally added these deep drawers next to the dishwasher because it makes unloading the dishwasher a breeze. The kids' plates and cups are easily accessible from here, and with the drawers located conveniently next to the dishwasher, I can unload so much faster. Unloading the dishwasher is horrid, so I will do anything to make it as painless as possible. Organizing the kitchen based around the items you use is really, really important in kitchen design. Next on the lineup, the silverware drawer.